What if you could talk directly to your Power BI data and get instant insights? Meet the Power BI Chatbot, an AI-powered interface designed to simplify analytics for everyone. Easily navigate datasets from your Power BI workspace, while interacting with insights in a clean, conversational experience. Just click a suggested question, and the chatbot instantly generates accurate, data-driven answers. Prefer custom questions? Just ask. The chatbot understands natural language and even generates visualizations on the fly. Turn complex data into simple conversations with the Power BI Chatbot. The customized Power BI Chatbot transforms analytics from a reporting function into a real-time decision support system. This is not a generic chatbot, it's a configurable analytics assistant tailored to business roles, datasets, and decision-making needs. We can customize the chatbot to generate a one-page, insight-rich report, perfect for last-minute senior management meetings. Talk to your data instantly.